Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making delicious gluten-free waffles that the whole family will love. Perfect for meal prep or a weekend treat. Here's what you'll need. Gluten-free flour, eggs, almond milk, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Optional sweeteners like honey or stevia can be used too. Start by mixing the dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine gluten-free flour and baking powder. In another bowl, whisk together eggs and almond milk. Gradually, mix the wet ingredients into the dry ones until smooth. Heat your waffle maker and pour in the batter. Cook until golden brown, then carefully remove. These waffles are not just tasty, they're gluten-free and can be made low in sugar too. Great for those looking for healthy options. Get creative with your toppings. Try yogurt, nuts, or even chocolate chips for a fun twist. What's your favorite topping? Let us know in the comments. Serve these waffles warm with a side of maple syrup. Any leftovers? Store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Thanks for watching. Try this recipe and share your own variations in the comments. Happy cooking!